In the video today, I want to show you what to do if your Pixel 10 freezes or your touchscreen is not working properly. This is a great little trick that will basically trigger your phone to restart itself. And this usually will help to fix any little issues the phone might be having. So let me show you how this works. We're going to hold down on the power button and the volume down button until the phone restarts. Now, this can take anywhere from 20 to 30 seconds. Let me show you what the process looks like right now. Power, volume down, 1, 2, 3, hold. It will trigger a screenshot. Just continue to hold the buttons. And again, it's going to take anywhere from about 20 to 30 seconds. So you just hold those two buttons and you'll see the screen basically go black. And when it does, that's how you'll know that the phone has shut off. And then you'll give it maybe about 10 to 15 seconds, and then you'll see the Google Pixel logo pop up after, and that is the phone restarting itself. Now, usually if you have some type of a software glitch or an app that is stuck, oh, there it goes. Usually if you have an app that is stuck or a part of the software that's glitching, this is the best thing you can do to basically free up that glitch. And all again it does is it just shuts the phone off, turns it back on, and it allows the software to restart. By the way, you might have saw that really cool feature when the phone came back on. It had that little rain on the screen. This is one of many underrated Pixel features that if you follow me on TikTok, you'll actually get to learn how to do all these really cool effects and different things. So follow my TikTok right here. It's just at H2 Tech Videos. And every week I post a new underrated Google Pixel feature. So you can learn a lot of other really cool things about using your phone on there. So make sure you follow me on there. So our phone has restarted itself. It's back on. Our touchscreen is working properly now. So hopefully this helped you guys out if you were having an issue with your phone being stuck or a stupid app that just, was causing the phone to glitch. Now, let me tell you what this is not going to fix. If your touchscreen is cracked or has physical damage, this is not going to fix that. So if you have physical damage, my recommendation is to find your local cell phone service and repair shop, bring it in, have them diagnose the screen and ask them what it would cost to have the screen replaced. This really only helps software related issues. It will not help things that are related to the hardware. So just an FYI there. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Here I'm going to link to my playlist that'll have all my other Google Pixel 10 videos. And here I'll link to another really helpful video as well. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.